Need your Wi-Fi password on a Mac? I'll show you in 60 seconds using Keychain Access. Press Command Space and type Keychain Access, then press Enter. In Keychain Access, select Login in the left sidebar. Use the search box at the top right and type your Wi-Fi network name. Double-click the network item to open its details. Check Show Password and enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to authenticate. The password appears in the field, copy it or click the Copy button. If you don't see the network entry, switch between login and system keychains or search slight SSID variations. Only reveal passwords on trusted devices and never share them publicly. Pro tip, use Command F to jump to the search box faster. Recap, open Keychain Access, select Login, search your SSID, double-click, Show Password, authenticate. Short summary, Keychain Access, find your SSID, show password and authenticate. You're done.